Hello everyone. We are creating this video to demonstrate our website which we have created for our internet programming subject project, a mini project for our semester 5 of information technology of Pillai College of Engineering, Panvel, New Panvel. We have created this website. This provides a cloud storage service for everyone. We have a checklist we have to go through first. So let's quickly go through the checklist first. Here's the checklist. So the first part in the checklist is two login page, one for user and one for admin. So, so we are here at the user login page. Here the user can log in. Now we'll see the admin login page. This is the admin login page. Here the administrators of the site can log in. Let's see the other point in the checklist. Two registration pages, one for user and another for admin. So I'll show you the admin page first. This is the page where the administrators for the site can sign up. The other admins have to verify them before they become an admin. And here's the page where the users can sign up for this page. You have to provide a valid email ID here, and we'll see that later. The next point in the checklist is landing page, which will consist of navigation bar with menu of login, sign up, about us, and contact us. So here's our landing page. Here you can see there's a nav bar with about us, contact us, sign in, sign up pages. We'll also show you the user landing page, where if you're logged in, you will land. This is the user login page. Here also we have the navbar with about us, contact us, logout buttons. The other point in the checklist, login, user registration, contact us should be responsive using CSS3 media queries. So we'll show you that. Let's go to the home page first. Oh, I have to log out. Let's go to the home page. Here I can show you. See, when I open the inspect element, it resizes itself. So look at this. This is the responsiveness. We have done this using media queries. You can see here. So this is how it responds. Let's see the other point in the checklist. Using Bootstrap for home page and page after user logs in. We have used Bootstrap. I'll show you. We'll sign in. So this navbar is a Bootstrap navbar, and we'll show you in the code. Here we have included the Bootstrap script here. And here's the navbar code. So it's a Bootstrap navbar. Let's see the other point in the checklist. Login page should provide user to provide a application using email ID or phone number. So here I'll sign up for this page. I'll show you. I'll be using a temporary email for this because my personal email is already registered. We'll use this service. This provides a temporary email to test our website. So I'll copy this email. I'll go to the sign up link. I provide the email and then I'll sign up. So as you can see, this asks for an OTP. We have to go to this and we should have received an OTP here. See, this was received from admin@envault.ml. So this is our custom domain. We'll copy this OTP. We'll paste it here. Okay. So now the email has been verified, so you can't change it. I'll show you what happens when I put a invalid mobile number or invalid password, like of 2 characters. It will show you invalid mobile number and password isn't minimum 8 characters. So I'll provide a valid mobile number first. So I provided a 10-digit number. I'll create a password with minimum 8 characters. So I've provided valid details. Now I should be able to sign up. So as you can see, it was successfully signed up as we are redirected to the login page. So the point in our checklist was completed. The next point, login page of admin can be designed as per. So I'll show you the login page of admin. Here the admin can log in. I'll provide the details. So as you can see, the admin was able to log in. I'll show you this page later. Now the next point in the checklist is sign up page should provide user to register to application. Yeah, as I've already showed you, the sign up page was able to register ourselves. I'll just log in through that registered email to show you that it works. Uh, this is the email which I used. I provided the email and password. Now it should be able to log in. Yeah, we were able to log in. Now let's log out through this link. Hmm. And the next point is sign up. Sign form should validate email through Ajax and OTP should be sent to the user through PHP mail. Already showed you the OTP part. Should validate the email through Ajax. I can show you that in code. So here's the part which validates the email. As you can see, it will check the email first and then provide the necessary errors if it is already registered or something else went wrong. Now the next point in our checklist is contact us page should provide a form to user. I'll show you the contact us page. We'll go to the contact us page from here, and this is the form which is used to provide your feedback or suggestions. I'll show you a test value. I'll provide a valid email here. I filled in a query. I'll send it, and the message was successfully sent. I'll show you the message later. Let's see the other point. Sign up page should have link to login page. The sign up page does have a link to login page. As you can see, when I click login, it is it has gone to login. So next point, sign up page of admin can be designed as per your project specific requirements. We have a sign up page for admin here. You can sign up for being an admin here. The Of course the other admins have to verify you first, then only you are given access to the admin page. Here you can just provide your details. Next point, I already showed you the contact us page provides a form. In contact form, a user can provide their details and short message to the application admin. As I've already shown you, it asks for name, email, and a message, and it can be viewed by the admin. I'll show you that. In admin home, they should be able to see all the messages submitted posted by the user. So I'll show you the admin home page now. So this is the admin home page. Here you can see all the messages sent from the contact us page. We have here test messages. Like you can see this. This is a test message. This is a test message. Here you can see from the message and issue and the date time it was issued. And here a button is there which can which can be ticked so that it is known that your query is resolved. And here we have a send email button, so you can send the email to the user that your query has been responded to. I'll show you that. Here we have all the messages. I've created a test message here at the end, which I provided to the contact us page here a while ago. So I will send an email to the user. So the email was sent. Let's check this email. We'll check on this email later. It takes some time to arrive. We'll check on this email later. Let's log out from this page right for now. Now the next point in the checklist is you need to put Google Maps showing your address location in iframe tag. So we do have a Google Map in the about us page. This is the about us page. Oh sorry, we have the Google Map in the home page. So this is a embedded Google Map. This is in the home page. I'll show you the embed. So you can see that we have an AMP embed. We have provided the Google Map link here, and we have created the height and layout specifics. This provides a Google Map here with LA College of Engineering as our site. Let's see the other point in the checklist. The next point is about us page should consist of our photo and short video of you below the photo. So let's see the about us page. The about us page. The about us page consists of our group members. And the group members are Yogesh Chaudhary, Amol Gamin, Rachna Behra, and Vishal Mistry. Here are our imaginary posts and then our imaginary descriptions. We have a parallax effect in this page, as you can see. And here's a video. It's a temporary video. We'll put the video which we are just creating in here. The video is of Panama, the temporary video. And you can see that we have hosted this video on GitHub. As you can see the link here. Let's see other points in the checklist now. The other point in the checklist is it should have a group video, and that video should be added using the video tag. It has a video as I showed you. I'll show you the video tag in the code. Homepage design and functionality will be specific to your application. So you have already seen our homepage. This is our homepage. It provides the info of our site. I'll be talking more about it later. Everyone needs to tell put random advertisements. You can see there are advertisements in our login page here. It will load. Here's the advertisement of Pillai College of Engineering here, and it's here also. We also have advertisements in our sign up page of Pillai College of Engineering, here, and here. Let's see the other points. You need to demonstrate SQL injection attack in your application. I'll be demonstrating you that. Obviously, we don't have SQL injection attack in our live page. We have another page for that. Hmm. As you can see, this is an AMP video tag. We have used AMP for our website. That's why it's an AMP video. But it's very similar to HTML video. Let's see the other point in the checklist. About Us page should have parallax scrolling effect. I already showed you the parallax scrolling effect on the About Us page. Landing page, next point is the landing page should have navigation bar at the top, which will provide the link to login, register, contact, and about us. Landing page will give the brief information about your application to users. So this is the landing page which you have not logged in, you will land upon. It has the about us, contact us, sign in, sign up pages, and it does provide a description for what our site does. It's an encrypted cloud storage service. Here's an description. Here's the features list and our address and hours respectively. This is the landing page, and if you are signed in, then you will see a different landing page. You'll see this landing page. It also has the about us, contact us, and home page links here. Let's see the other point. The form validation should be done with both JavaScript and PHP. So I can show you this in the code. So this is the PHP validation. As you can see, this is all is in the, it verifies the email in PHP. The email is already registered, something went wrong. Then it verifies the phone number. Now I'll show you the JavaScript phone number validation. See, this script validates the phone number through JavaScript. So we have used both JavaScript and PHP for validation. Then use HTML5 form validation. We have used HTML5 form validation at one point in our web page. I'll show you that. See, this is another page which I'll be showing you shortly. But this has a HTML5 form validation. As you can see, this is in if this field is empty, then the form will show you that you have to fill this out first, because this is a required field which you have put through HTML5 validation. The other point in the checklist. So this page provides SQL injection attack. Copy the code for SQL injection from somewhere here. First, I will put the correct values here. So as you can see, it shows successfully logged in when I put the correct values here. And if I put the wrong values here, like I'll put the wrong password now, it shows user ID invalid. Okay, now I'll show you the injection attack. So when I put in this code, as you can see, this provides an email. Of course, this part is not necessary, it's XXX, and it provides another OR condition which is 1 equal to 1. This makes the condition true, and then it comments the further part, which is the password part. So I have to provide some password because it is HTML5 validated, but it is not. I will put any wrong password here, like 123. Okay, and now it should successfully log in. See, it was successfully logged in. This happens because the password part was commented. It is only required because it is HTML5 validated, otherwise it won't go forward. I'll show you the code for this. See, this is the form. It calls upon an sqlt.php function upon and this is the required fields, which is HTML5 validated, and then it calls upon the sqlt function. Let's see that function. So this connects to our database using this connection, and then it stores the UID and pass ID from the fields into this, and then it prepares an SQL statement like this. This contains the UID and PID from our text fields, and it directly executes the query. That's why it is vulnerable to SQL injection attack. In our original login page, it won't do it like that. In our original login page, as you can see, it first creates a statement, and it first creates a statement with MySQL I prepare, and then the binds the parameters to it. This way, it is safe. It is safe from SQL injection attacks. It won't be directly executed in our database. First, it will be verified on the PHP end, and then it will be executed. Now, let's see the other points in the checklist. Need to demonstrate prevention of SQL injection attack. So I'll show you prevention in our original login page. So I'll provide the same code here and provide any password here. And you can see that this is invalid email ID from Ajax. Provide a wrong password here and no account found with that username. It shows an error. So it is safe from SQL injection attacks. Let's see the other points. Need to demonstrate use of stored procedure in your web application. So when you visit this site, I've called upon a stored procedure which updates the total visitors for this site. The total visitors are available here. See, there are 65 total visits till now. I'll load the site once again. Now the visitors count have gone to 66. I'll show you once again, and now it is 67. So it updates the visitor every time a new visitors come on this page. I'll show you the procedure for this. Here you can see the visitors procedure. What it does is it updates the visitor count by 1. Okay, and the other procedure, it gets the visitor count from the visitors table. I'll show you the visitors table. This is the visitor tables. It contains only one row and total number of visits. It gets updated every time a user visits this site. This was the demonstration of procedures. Now let's see the other points. The last point is use of XML in your web application. Let's see the use of XML. First log out from this page. This is the about us page. Here the details of all the members are fetched from an XML file, which is this is the XML file. It has all the details of the members, as you can see here, and I'll show you the fetch procedure for this. Hmm. So this is the script which takes the value from the XML. First of all, it loads about us details.xml. Then I've created a loop which updates the inner elements of these IDs NM0, 1, 2, 3. These are the name IDs, name paragraph tags. This is the designation and this is the description tags. It updates them with a loop. See, this is the ID of name, this is the designation 0, and this is description 0. As all the four members have 0, 1, 2, and 3, and it updates them with the loop. loop. Let's see the other points. Oh, we have finished the checklist. So we have finished the checklist. This checklist was made specifically for Dheeraj sir. He's our teacher for INTP subject. He teaches us in class and lab. Now let's have a demo of our website to all the other viewers. We'll go to the home page. As you can see, this is our home page. We have created a service which provides an encrypted storage for everyone. Here, I'll show you the home page. We have parallax effect here. We have our features list, secure on the cloud and free. And we have a map which shows our location. We have our visiting, our address, our contacts, and our hours. Also, I'd like to show you this. The website is hosted on a custom domain Envault.ml. We have got this domain from Freenom. It provides free domains. And also, I'd like to show you that this is an HTTPS protocol. We have obtained a SSL certificate for our domain. I'll show you that certificate. As you can see, this certificate was issued to Envault.ml by Let's Encrypt for a period of 3 months. We'll be closing this website after 3 months. It was just for project demonstration. So this was our home page. I'll show you the About Us page. This is the About Us page. We have all the members of our team here. Yogesh Chaudhary, Amog Aman, Rachna Behera, and Vishal Mistry. We have our imaginary posts here. And we have an About Us page with the video. The video will be updated with the current video that I'm preparing right now. I'll show you the Contact Us page now. See, this is the Contact Us page. And we have a map here. We also have the form for users to contact the admin from here. You can provide your queries or suggestions here, and it will be shown to the admin. I've already demonstrated it during the checklist. I'll do it once again. So I've filled the form, I'll send it, and it was successfully sent. I'll show you the responses later. Now I'll show you the sign up page. So this is our sign up page. It has all the links at the top. We have some advertisements here. It was functional requirements. We don't earn any revenue from this. I'll provide a valid email for this first. Let's get a new email. I'll use another site for this. Let's use this site. I just copy this email, provide it here, sign up, and we should receive an OTP here. As you can see, it is waiting for emails. Just refresh once. And here we have received the OTP. You can see this is the OTP message here. One-time password for registering to Envault.ml is this. Please use this OTP to complete the verification. Regards team and vault, and it comes from our custom domain. It is not shown here, but it comes from admin@envault.ml. I'll just copy this OTP, paste it here, and here the email was successfully registered. You can't change it now. As you can see, it is not changeable. Now I'll provide a mobile number. I'll provide a password, and if any of these fields are not in the correct format, it will show you the errors. I've put everything in the correct format. It shouldn't show me any errors now. And I was successfully registered. I was redirected to the login page. I will log in through my registered account. Here's the login. I've logged in. Now this page shows the navbar at the top. You have the logout button, you have the reset password button, and here you can choose files which you can upload here, and here the your files will be shown. As you can see, I have not uploaded any files yet, and of course we have the total visitor count for the website here. So I'll show you how it updates. I'll visit the site once again, and vault.ml, our site URL. See, we have visited this site, and now the counter should update. See, the counter was updated. I'll try that once again. So the counter should update again, and the counter was updated. So this updates the total count of visits. Now let's show you some files which we can upload here. I'll choose files here. It will open up a window. I'll choose some files to upload. I have some test files here. See, these are of different formats: JPEG, PNG, M4A, EXE, to show that it can take all files. I'll take all of them, open them. All of them were selected. Now let's upload them. See, as you can see, it is uploading. It is showing a progress dialog box, and you can see it's uploading here. It's 44, 50% like that. We'll wait for some time for the files to get uploaded, and you can see all the files were uploaded, and you can see all of them here. You can delete the files from this button, and you can also if you click on the file, it will get downloaded. I'll show you this. See, the image was downloaded. I can open up this image, and it was downloaded. I can also delete the files. I'll put the delete button, and the image was deleted. I'll delete all the files now. So you have seen that you can upload the files and you can download them. This was all for this page. Let's log on. There's a reset password here. You can reset your password if you provide the new password and confirm that new password here. As you are already logged in, it won't ask for your old password. You can do that. I won't be doing that. Let's log out from here now. I've shown you sign up login page. I'll show you the admin page now. The admin page is here. I'll log into the admin page through my credentials. As you can see, this is the admin page. Here we have support messages and suggestions from contact form. Here all the messages that were put in the contact form can be seen. It can be expanded like this. I just created another message from, see, you can see the email, the message, and the date. You can mark it as resolved and it won't show up in this page again. And you can send the email to this email. Since this is not a valid email, I won't be sending that. The email would be, if the email was valid, then it should send a email to that message that your query has been seen and will be resolved soon. Log out from this page. There is also an admin sign up page. It takes your details and stores it in a database. The other admins have to verify your credentials before you are given access. So it just takes your details and the other admins can see it. And if they approve, then you can become an admin as well. Mm. So this was all the UI elements. Now let's see something about the backend. We have a database, a Maria database. We'll be accessing it through the PHP MyAdmin web interface. So this is our database, which we access through Envault-ML/protected-db. It redirects us to the database page. I will log in through my credentials. It is not the default credentials, I've changed it. Hmm. So here is our database page, which we are accessing through the PHP MyAdmin. This is a Maria database. You can access it through root at localhost. I'll show you that. Um, so this is our database Envault. We have several tables here and several procedures too. I've already shown you the procedure. It updates the visitors count. We have an admin table which stores the detail for administrators of the site. A p admin which stores the temporary admin details, which you can which is viewed through the admin sign up. See, this is you can approve them. You can take these details and put it in the real admin panel. Then we have a query page. It stores all the queries from all the users. Here you can see that. We have register table which stores all the registration detail for all the users. I'm be showing you this for security purposes. TSQL, it's a temporary SQL table. I've created this to demonstrate the SQL injection attack. I can't use the original table for this, so this was a temporary table for that. You can see it contains some email and password, a test email and test passwords. And we have the visitors table. This updates the visitor count every time you visit the site. So this was the database, our Envault database. Now let's see the web server. Now the web server is located on a Windows machine on Amazon Web Services. I have logged into the Windows session using a remote access, Microsoft remote access. I've already logged in. I'll show you this. As you can see, it's just a Windows machine. Here the host name, you can see these details. I have an IP, static IP assigned to me. I just read the URL that envault.ml redirects you to this IP. You can't access this IP directly because I have an SSL certificate in place, which does not let you do that. So it provides safer communication. You can only visit the site through the URL. So this is, and I've installed a XAMPP server on this. XAMPP contains an Apache web server. This handles the web server and MySQL server, which is the Maria database, and a FileZilla server, which we use for development purposes to upload the files and download the files from our website. We could do it using the remote session also, but FileZilla is better. You can see this is the C XAMPP h3 talks folder. Here's our website located. Here's our website, and there's a auth folder. Here contains all other files. Here's the uploads folder. Uploads folder stores the uploads for all the users. I've already deleted all the uploads from my account, that's why it is empty, but when you upload files, it will be stored here. There's an email folder. This folder sends an email to you. For email, we are using SendGrid service. SendGrid provides an API which you could call upon and send emails to your which and can send emails to your respective IDs. So here this is our project folder. This is an Apache web server which we have installed through XAMPP. It's running on port 80 and 3306. Port 80 and MySQL server is running on port 3306. FileZilla server is running on port 21. This is a XAMPP configuration window. I have done many configurations. See, it's running on the local host, but we can access it through the outside IP because I've used a firewall rule for that in AWS console. It redirects all the outside traffic to this local host. This was done through a configuration panel of AWS. So this was it. This was our website and the backend. At this point, I'd like to acknowledge all my team members of doing hard work. We have equally contributed in this website. I'd also like to thank Dheeraj Amin sir. He's our subject teacher, and also Amog Amin sir. He's our subject in charge. He doesn't teach us this subject, but he's the subject in charge. Dheeraj sir teaches us this subject. He has helped us in many ways. He has taught us many things which we have used in this site. He provided the checklist which we completed. And thank you everyone. This was all.